Eklezia Katolika wonna mu nsi ekuzizza olunaku lwa Yozefu omutuukirivu omuwolereza w'amaka ku ssomero lya St. Joseph e Kakindu mu ssaza lya Kiyinda Mityana yo mmisa ya Yozefu ekulembeddwa Father Nsubuga ono ne yeekokkola nnyo ebikolwa eby'ebisiyaga ebibaluseewo naddala mu Bayizi.
As it is a sin which is prohibited by the Bible and even our culture here. So I advise all the students, be careful so that they are not taken up by this vice of homosexuality, because it will end up destroying their lives. They become sick, and even homosexuality is against the plan of God.
Father Nsubuga ajjukiza n'abayizi obukulu bwa Yozefu omutuukirivu ono n'okubasaba bamwekwate mu misomo gyabwe.
St. Joseph was very hard-working man. That's the reason as why he was able to care about the Holy Family, to look after the Holy Family, and he took a responsibility of looking after the Holy Family. As parents are advised also to emulate, to copy St. Joseph, so that they may always follow his example of being responsible parents and in their families.
Y'omukulu w'essomero lya St. Joseph SS Kakindu Noeline Nabulime yeeyamye bulijjo okukolagana n'abazadde okusitula empisa mu baana naddala mu kusoomooza okuli mu ggwanga kati.
A learner is molded by, first of all, the parents from home. When they come to school, they meet other stakeholders, and amongst them, the teachers are here. We have the non-teaching staff. But also in the community, we look at those role models that they can look up to know how they should behave. We are working together with police, not to look at the criminals only, but to teach them on how they should behave.